Hello everybody. Today we'll be discussing about a new feature update which was released on 12th of August 2023, and that is Elevate Your Tracking. So we have introduced a new audit log feature under the section of documents, inventory adjustment and warehouse transfer. So let's take a look at it. Right now we are in the dashboard of EalSuite. So if you go to two different sections, talking about audit logs is nothing new in EalSuite. If we go under the sales module, I'm selecting invoice, and under purchase, I'm going to select a purchase bill as well. So if you go to the list view of invoices, and I'm going to select any of, let's say, a paid invoice, so we can see all the details. On the top right, you could see a list of features. Here, there is logs. So we can click on logs and you can see when the invoice was created and when the payment was made, and this invoice was also once edited. So all of these informations will be present. So this was already present under the invoice or on many of the bills, and under purchase also we'll see a paid purchase bill, and here you could see the logs and when the purchase bill was created, all these feature, when it was edited, and everything is present. So this was already present, like I was telling, under many bills. Right now we have introduced it under three more sections, and these are under documents, inventory adjustments and warehouse transfer. So let's look into items first. So we'll be selecting inventory adjustment, warehouse transfer, and the next module will be documents. So let's go to documents first. So we can see that under my files, you could see a t-shirt file present here, which was last modified on 22nd of August. So this was uploaded into our software after this release was done. And if I go to the logs session, I could see that it was me. I have uploaded it on 22nd of August. So the log feature is present. Now let's go to modules. And under invoices, you could see 14 counts. And if I'm sorting it for last modified time, you could see some old files uploaded. So this AC file. So let's take a look into what this particular file is. Okay, this is the image we have. So I'm closing it. It's a PNG type file. If I go to logs, you're not able to see any details under audit logs. And we'll take another example. Here we have a PDF file as well. The name is ABC. You can check the log. Nothing is to be found. But you see something which was uploaded on 31st of August. And if I go to logs, I could see that the log is present. So just for a confirmation, we'll return back to my files and we'll simply upload a document. So we will upload a document which can be, yes, this document. So I'm not going to give any name. So this is another feature. If I submit it also, whichever name the file already has will be taken into account by the software. So we have the file name photo add king chart, right? It's a JPEG file which was uploaded just right now. If I go to the log feature, you could see under activity log, this was uploaded by Varun Krishna. So this feature is a new update. Now, what I can do is I can delete this file also, right? So I can go to the delete option. I can delete it. It's gone. So where will it be? It will be under the recycle bin, right? So you could see the photo add king chart here. And if I go to logs once again, I can see that it was uploaded and then the file was moved into recycle bin again by me. So that is also present. Now I can restore this file and return back to my file, and you can see this. So even if it returns back, you could see all the details here as well. So nothing will be lost. So this is a new update with respect to the document section. Now we'll be talking about inventory adjustment. See, there are plenty of inventory adjustments here. And if I go down, I can go. So the important thing about inventory adjustment is that inventory adjustment has no view page view, right? So logs can only be seen in the list view only. So here, if I select this particular log, you're not able to find anything. But these are some of the old inventory adjustments that we made, nothing to be found. But this is the latest one. So if I click on the log, you could see that an inventory adjustment was made by me. So how can I make an inventory adjustment? Just let's take a look into it. So right now I'm making an inventory adjustment. Let it be on wages. So I'm gonna put narration as just wages itself, cost center, and now which is the product. I'm going to make an adjustment. So yes, a cable assembly LMR 400. So the current stock is 0. I'm going to make an adjustment like 10. See, I'm not going to change the quantity is going to be 10. Al Safa, everything is going to be the same. So updated stock will be 10. Not going to give the stock value or anything like that. I'm just clicking on save. And yes, so under wages narration, a new inventory adjustment has been made. And who made it? If I want to see the details, yes, the inventory adjustment has been made. Now let's do one more thing. Let's see if any activity log will be added into this if I make any further changes. So I'm adding another. I'm editing it right now. A gym product. So again, I'm going to make an adjustment of 10, and the updated stock will be 20 right now because it already has a current stock of 10, and I'm saving it. So here it is present again. Let's look at the log. See, so the first inventory adjustment was made, and again an inventory adjustment was made while editing the same adjustment. So this has been introduced under the inventory adjustment section as well. Now the next one is the warehouse transfer. Now let's go down under the warehouse transfer. Also some older files like this. If I go to, I cannot see any log details, but this, I mean the previous month, the month of August on 18th, there's another warehouse transfer which was made, which is waiting under approval. So yes, so Rashid has made a warehouse transfer, and it was created against the date. So that particular date has also been mentioned. So in order to make a warehouse transfer, I can create a new warehouse transfer. The date, warehouse, I'm gonna keep everything the same. And I'm adding a new line. I'm gonna add cement. So the warehouse will be from Al Safa to Amria. So we have the stock 11. I'm gonna add another quantity like 10, right? So I'm not going to add 10. Let's keep it 5. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I'm gonna save it. So it's again waiting for approval stage. Now here we have few features like the view PDF, download PDF, and right now I can even edit it as well. So I'm just going to add one more thing here. Timex, there is no stock. SP, the stock is -5. Due, I'm going to put it as just 1. There is no stock. I'm just selecting something. Otherwise, I need to go and check each and every detail. And here you could see the log. So the first warehouse transfer was made against this particular date, and the warehouse transfer 34, and further it was again edited. Now under this warehouse transfer itself, the advantage of warehouse transfer is that we have a list view as well. So this is the warehouse transfer which I made. So again, going into the log, you could see the same detail itself under the activity log feature. So it's a very good addition to what we already have within the system. The activity log or the audit log was already present in multiple bills. Right now we have added it under document section, inventory adjustment, as well as warehouse transfer as well. Thank you very much.